Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and recently Mojang released the first 1.19 pre-release. I'll be showing you the most important additions in this video, so if you want to find out what's included, just keep on watching. Since this is a pre-release, we haven't got many gameplay changes. A minor change is that developers have slightly reduced the number of mangrove trees that spawn in mangrove swamps. Another minor change was that previously when you equipped items on your head that weren't armor, it wouldn't play any sound. However, in this pre-release, it now plays a generic equipping sound. There weren't too many technical changes either, but one of the changes is that auto-completion is now available for the /place template command. One other change is that custom servers can now enable or disable chat preview for certain clients by sending a new network packet. Not just that, but a chat preview is also shown now for chat-related commands such as /say and /message. As mentioned previously, since this is a pre-release, there are a ton of bug fixes. Firstly, a bug found was that in Snapshot 22W19A, whenever you typed in commands with the / prefix, the command would be ran. That wasn't supposed to be happening as commands are only meant to work with a singular /. Thankfully, that bug has been fixed, and now if you try to run commands with 2 slashes, it will result in an error. Another issue found occurred in the last few snapshots as well. The issue was that even if subtitles were on, Frog's footsteps sometimes wouldn't show up on screen. This was an easier bug to fix, so in the recent snapshot their footsteps show up correctly. Another issue to do with frogs arose. That was that even though tadpoles were considered a baby mob, whenever they were killed, they would drop experience. This was unusual since all other baby animals didn't drop any XP. Fortunately for us though, in this pre-release their behavior has been adjusted to drop no XP, just like the other mobs. Moving on, a somewhat important bug was found present in the last 19 snapshots. When attempting to open the Minecraft Realms menu in any of the previous 19 snapshot versions, it would state that the client is outdated. This statement was confusing for some players as the snapshots affected were even newer than the latest full release. Thankfully though, after a lot of reports from players, the error message has now been updated to Realms is not compatible with snapshot versions. Not just that, but a bunch of other bugs were resolved and the bug fixes should continue for the next few pre-releases. Those are all the major changes in the first 1.19 pre-release. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to see more from our channel. Don't forget though, if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to test out this pre-release with your friends, you should head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching!